Good morning. Bento grids are a design trend that are going to be huge in 2024. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the best way to build them using WordPress Gutenberg so you can build a beautiful website just like this. In case you're wondering, the term Bento grids came from a Japanese design trend which formed out of dinosaur lunchboxes. 1 second. Where in the lunchbox, come on, where you have these little compartments. So you end up with these lovely grids. And I don't quite know how, but we got from here to having these sorts of designs on websites. And it's a really beautiful design when you see it done well. So I'm going to split this design into essentially 2 rows, 2 columns blocks. This first one just has 2 columns in. Let's start with that. So I'm going to add the columns block using the shortcut /columns. And I'm going to choose the rough proportions of this one, which is that option there. Now I'm going to use the cover block for all of these because you'll see I've got text in here and I also need the video, and the cover block will do all of that for me out of the box. So I'm going to add the cover block into this left one. I am going to choose a video and that will load in the video. Now I just need to add a title and this sort of headline over the top. So we just need to write some words in here. And the cover block can do cool stuff. For example, I can change the position of the text just by changing the content position using this little matrix. So I'm going to choose top left. You can see here I've also changed the line height a little bit, and I've also changed the size and whether it's bold or not. These are all settings now built into Gutenberg Core. The only other thing I want to do here is add little rounded radiuses to my cover block. Super easy because that's built into the cover block. Just come to styles after selecting the cover block, come down here to radius and pop your radius in. Once you've got your first card designed the way you want it, then it's time to create a reusable block out of it. Just select the block itself, click on the 3 dots, come down here to pattern and give it a name. You can categorize them as well, and you want to choose unsynced. That means that you can reuse it without changing every instance of it wherever it's been used. And that pattern has been saved to a global library where you can see all the patterns that you've created. And you can also edit them here. Here's a good tip. If you click on it, it'll take you back to the edit screen. Click into it. But now if I click on the list view, I can actually select this group and lock it, which means that if I choose lock all, my end users can't move it and they can't remove it. Which is great, because then you can create these blocks centrally and give them to your users, but you have a certain level of control of what they can do. And here's my first card looking pretty good. Now it's time just to build out the rest of the grid. So all I need to do is click in the second column, click add block, search for my pattern that I just created. It'll find it, insert it. And now I just need to change the background image. So I'm going to click on replace and choose a different image. And then all I need to do once I've done that is change this text. If you want precise control over the width of your columns, you can do that as well. Just select the column you want to change over in the list view, come across to the right, and you can select a different width. Let's change that to 60, and let's change this one to 40. And you can probably work out how I'm going to do this grid here. This is just 2 columns. That's all it is, with 2 blocks within this left-hand column. And here's one I prepared earlier. I'm just going to copy and paste it in. One of the beautiful things about Gutenberg is that you can copy and paste blocks between sites. And there we go. There's my finished Bento grid. In the left column, I've got 2 cover blocks. They're just stacking on top of each other as they'll naturally do. And in this right-hand column, I've got this cover block over here. So this is my Bento grid over on the left, and this is the official Procreate website over on the right. I'm pretty pleased with it. It looks pretty fantastic to me, and I've just used core Gutenberg blocks to do it. No custom CSS, no plugins. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, if you can hit the like button now, it would be amazing because it makes a huge difference in terms of how many people actually get to see this video. It really, really does. So if you can hit that like button, it'd be great. And also every time you do hit that like button, our cats get a little treat. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and you'll be notified every time I release a new one. If you want to avoid making the biggest beginner's WordPress mistake, watch this video. Otherwise, I'll see you soon. Bye for now.